So yeah, I'm just making me a little fish right quick. So I just put some slap your mama in there, some Tony Sansa, black pepper, Old Bay, some you already know, cayenne pepper, and some garlic powder, and some lemon pepper. Got all that in there. I'm gonna drop some of this paprika in there. And some parsley flake. Hold on. And what she look like right there, I'm about to shake her up. Be right back with you. I done shook her up. Now some of y'all may not know how to do this. I'm going in there with that French fry Zatarain. And some flour too. And by the way, you already know I'm about to eat some, yellow rice, my way style cooking. And some sweet peas. So I'm about to get down up in it right quick. Hold up. Got the fish frying up. About to put the all-purpose up in there. So I'll be right back. Now I got the flour in there. Now I'm about to put a little, Tony Zatarain in there. Just a little bit. Some black pepper. Just a little bit. And some of that slap your mama. I'm about to shake up. Be right back with you. Now that's how she should be looking. That's how they go. That's how I make mine. This is another recipe. I tried it. It was good too. I'm gonna eat it again. So, stay tuned. Now I'm using vegetable oil with some mixed oil. Still vegetable oil, but I'm about to go ahead and drop mine now. I like to drop mine in early. I'm about to get on the slow cook. Just let them start up the fry. Got it on high right now. I'm gonna come back and, turn it down on about like mid, half a mid. Yeah, I was just thinking y'all did, but some of y'all should may want to try. It's good too. Very good. While it's about to thunderstorm, I'm about to go ahead and get it in. I'm Call of Duty, and I just let her slow cook it, see? I'm about to put my yellow rice on. Show y'all what I'm gonna be doing with that, so be still. Now I just put my sweet peas in, put some, butter on it, little water added, and some parsley flakes, and some black pepper. Fish boiling me, frying right now. Looking good, smelling good. I'm about to turn it down to mid. In between half a mid. Got the sweet peas going slow. That with the yellow rice. And what I do with my yellow rice, just saying I want to cook me some, quick, fast, with some good fish. I just put some crushed pepper in there, parsley flakes, black pepper, slap your mama, and a little Tony Sansa, and some, cayenne pepper. And I'm about to just let it sit. Now look how she getting golden. She's coming to. Yeah, I wish I was here to smell it too. She good too. Yeah, but I'm gonna eat it for y'all, so don't worry. You did. So with that being said, see you. You go, fam. I'm about to hit it with that hot sauce. Now there's cranberry sauce on the side too. and some sweet peas, yellow rice, and just look at it. Hold on, let me take a bite for a minute. Good fix. With that being said, share, like, height, and subscribe. See you in peak.